Hello guys, hope you guys are fine. I'm also fine and doing well. Yeah, just remember to subscribe to I am_Gratel, like my videos and share. Yeah, and don't forget to leave your comments on the comment section. So it's a bright morning today. Yeah, it's like cloudy, but the sun might shine. The sun might shine. Yeah, so yesterday I showed you how this place was looking like after having rain, after having experienced rain for the whole of night and the whole of day. Yeah, and the stream broke out its way, making the waters to come to the land. Yeah, and the shambas were stagnated with that rainwater. Yeah, but today we've woken up to something good. Yeah, so let me go on to show you how today looks like. So this is how things are today. This is how things are today. After experiencing that heavy rainfall for yesterday. Yeah. So this is what we have woken up to. Yeah. So this place is always for wild animals too. So it was a place for wild animals. Then human beings made their way to come and live over here. Yeah. So even though the animals went to other places, but they can still remember and make their way to this place during dry season. So this is like savanna grassland. Yeah, because it's really bushy. Even at first, I was afraid to take these paths because I was really fearing to meet wild animals sometimes. Yeah. As I have just told you, some animals always make their way to this place during dry season in search of water and pasture. Yeah. So this place is also for wild animals. So this is the road. This is the road that was stagnated with water. You can see. You can see today it is at least someone can pass through this place. But yesterday it was really difficult to pass over that place. So at least today we have woken up to a fine environment. Guys, you know this place usually experience a severe drought. So these are El Nino rains that are now affecting this place. Yeah. This is a place that usually dries. This place never receives rainfall. Yeah. But for now, the El Nino rains are working over this place. You can see this house over here. There is a neighbor of us who used to stay here. But because of the drought, he had to go to another place. And you can see it was destroyed by rain. Yeah, you can see the rains destroyed it over there. So our neighbor used to stay over here, but then he went to another place because of the drought. So this is a place that is usually affected by a severe drought. Yeah. So by now it is receiving a very high rainfall. It is El Nino rains. Yeah. So by now it is receiving rains almost every day, I think. Yeah. So this is how things are today. This is how things are today. Today it is much better. But it still looks cloudy. It might rain. Yeah. And I can also see the sun from afar. To mean also it can shine. So this is what we've woken up to today. Yeah. And as I had told you earlier, this place is sparsely populated. Yeah, it is the most interior place in the coastal region. I think so. Because people are not many. People staying are not many. Yeah. People staying over here are not many. People stay far away from each other. And guys, this place is also for wild animals. Yeah, there are some wild animals who come up to here where people are staying. Yeah, like in the drought season, we really experience a lot of elephants. Elephants usually come over this place. So when they come, they do a lot of destruction. They destroy trees, water sources. And here, we don't have like taps. We usually don't have wells, boreholes. Yeah, so there is just a specific place where water goes and gathers, like a dam. So we go and fetch there. But when the elephants come, they break their way there into the dams. Yeah. And therefore, they dirtify the water sources, making them dirty. Yeah. We usually experience elephants. So for me, I can say I've seen an elephant. Yeah, because they usually come up to these places. Yeah. So some wild animals make their way to these places, especially in dry seasons. Yeah. Like gazelles, antelopes. Yeah. So let's head down to the stream so that you may know today if the water, but today I cannot hear any flowing of water, to mean everything is alright. Not like yesterday that you woke up to something else. Guys, just remember to subscribe to @I_am_Gretel. Like my videos, share. Yeah, so that you may build this community together and enjoy. Yeah. So I'm heading to the stream, but I'm quite sure that the stream today is alright. because I can't hear any flowing of the water. So this is like savanna grassland. It's bushy. So today I think things are fine. Yeah. Things are not that bad. Yeah. Today someone can cross and go to the other side. Like yesterday. Yeah. So today we can come even closer. So this is the stream that was full of water the previous day. So this is how it should be. So this is how this place should be. So this is the path, yeah, that you cross over to. Usually cross over to that part. So today things are good, and we thank God for that. So as you can see today, things are really good. Yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am _Gretel. Like my videos and share. Thank you. Goodbye. Till other time.